Worktop oil is another tin of goodness in the Ciranova range and, as the name suggests, is brilliant for wooden worktops, cutting boards and tables. Easy to apply, solvent-based and most importantly food safe, this is the easy win your kitchen surfaces have been looking for. Like their range overall, it gives a superb natural water-repellent protective finish. Whatever you're applying worktop oil to, ensure that old finishing layers have been completely removed and that the surface is free of dust and other dirt and grime. Wipe over with methylated spirits on a lint-free cloth to get the surface super clean and ready to go. Start by shaking the worktop oil well before use. Then apply an even film to the surface with a lint-free cloth in the direction of the grain. Let the oil soak into the wood for 10 to 15 minutes depending on working temperature, and then wipe off any excess oil with a fresh lint-free cloth. We would recommend a minimum of 2 coats for hardwoods. Softwoods can take more if necessary, but let each coat dry for 6 hours before applying another. And there you have it, a beautifully treated chopping block, protected, food safe and water repellent. If you need further help, the wood care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.